Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your webcam in OBS Studio. And with that I mean exactly this what you are seeing right here. This is what you want to do and I will show you exactly how we can do that. So first of all, what we want to do is go back to the scene because we want a screen recording, and then we delete this right here. So we click on delete and right now you will see here our screen. Then now we click on plus icon and then we call this new scene webcam. Then we do OK, and then right now we click on the add icon and now we add video capture device and we do OK. And then right now we are back. So you will see me right here. Put us in the middle and then from here we click on filters, click on the plus icon and we go right here to the option image mask or blend. Click on OK and then right now we click here on browse and then make sure that you find a nice mask for your webcam. So for me this is fine, this file right here. I can also put this in the description if you want to, so check the description, but double click on this and then we do close, and right now if you can see we have a edited webcam right here standing in OBS. You can also go to Google and search for webcam masks. And then you can do circle, you can do a lot of effects, but right now if you can see, you can also download it right here. So it's very easy to download. So now we go back and now we want our webcam right here in our screen recording. So we click here on plus, we want to add a scene. Then we click on add existing and click here on the webcam and then we do OK. And right now we can put our webcam right here in the bottom, and if we now click here away, we just have a screen recording with myself right in the bottom with our edited webcam. So this is how easy it is. Hopefully this was a video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.